actually have learned Kannada to mix and match English because I was in the US for almost 7-8 years. So just bear with me. Kannada has to English. So I'm actually US ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. But when Corona hit, I was in a because ನಾನು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು US ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಜನ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. I was the only person in that entire apartment. I was alone and it was sealed completely. So I literally have seen the help. Then I managed to came back to India, and last flight I got some ticket. I came to India. Then after that I thought, okay, full flight also it was like you can't even move. You have to just sit in the flight for almost 12 hours. And it was literally I don't want to explain all this, but then I thought, okay, why all these things are coming up? Then I should ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಮಗೂ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಜನಗಳಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಂತದ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಐ ಥಾಟ್. ದೆನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫ್ ಊರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಹಳೆಯ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಗಾನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವಿಶ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಐ ಓಪನ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜರ್ಸ್. Then I got all the approval from all the state government, everything. Started to renew it, but it's not it started it, but I have got all the approvals from everyone. So it is just my way that I should do something for country, or because ellaru badkare saitare ondina maklu ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ maklu ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. That is all. That is not the way to. That is not the purpose we came to our to this world. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Then I slowly started getting all this spiritual and other stuff. Then ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ Facebook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು Mahavatar Foundation ಅಲ್ಲಿ back in 2022 I had actually contacted him. Maybe I don't remember. I still have that WhatsApp message. ಅವಾಗ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಏನು ಇದು ಅಂತ. But then after that I also stopped and somehow it happened. ದೆನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದೆರಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಸೂರ್, ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಇವರು ಮೈಸೂರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಅವರು ರೀಜನಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಓದಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಐ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ JP. ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಮೈ M.Tech in SCC, then my MBA in US. ಸೊ ಆಗ ದೆನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೋಡೋಣ ಸರಿ ಊರಿಂದ ಇವರು ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ whenever he was talking, I was getting a little bit emotional also because I lost my father sometime in February this year. ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಏ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ he was replicating same voice, same tune. So I was getting emotional also. Then I was able to correlate and then try to understand. But it was fantastic course. Ella nodidini, but from the basic, I don't think anyone would have given this much of basics. Like ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ acupressure ಅಂದ್ರೆ pressure ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ, but why? What is the mechanics? Because being our technical people or science people, we don't believe just like that putting pressure it will work. We need to know what actually happens inside the body. I think that part he really explained it very well. That is what I think it got connected to most of the and again thanks to sir also, because yesterday I went and he showed me all the things. Maybe I think I should connect, and definitely I'm going to talk to you, ma'am, and connect with the telemetry also, telepathy. So this is my this thing, and again thanks to arrangement was fantastic. There is no question about it. There was no though there was no electricity yesterday, I think still we managed a fantastic show. That's all, not much. Thank you.